In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a defect in Jira. If you're tracking software issues and want to make sure defects are documented clearly, Jira gives you a simple way to do that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a bug report from the Create window, fill in the key details, and submit it properly so your team can review and act on it. To begin, open Jira and go to the area where you want to create the defect. From there, click on Create. This opens the issue creation form, which is where you'll enter all the details for the defect you want to report. Once the form appears, click on the work type field. This is the setting that tells Jira what kind of item you're creating. From the list of available issue types, select Bug. Choosing Bug is important because it helps the issue get categorized correctly and makes it easier for developers, testers, and project managers to identify it as a defect rather than a task, story, or another type of work item. Next, enter the summary. The summary should be short but specific. Think of it as the title of the defect. A clear summary helps other team members understand the problem at a glance, so it's best to describe the issue in a concise way that highlights what is failing. After that, enter the description. This is where you provide more context about the defect. Use this space to explain what the issue is, what happened, and any important details that would help someone reproduce or understand the problem. The more clearly this section is written, the easier it will be for the team to investigate and resolve the defect efficiently. Then, continue by filling in the other fields in the form. Depending on your Jira setup, these might include items such as priority, assignee, labels, environment, or other project-specific information. Complete each field as needed. It's a good idea to be as accurate as possible here, since these details can help with triaging, filtering, and assigning the defect to the right person. Before you submit, take a quick moment to review everything you entered. Make sure the work type is set to bug, the summary is clear, the description includes enough detail, and the remaining fields are completed appropriately. A well-written defect report saves time and reduces back and forth later. When everything looks good, click on Create to log the defect in Jira. Once submitted, the bug will be added to your project and can then be tracked through your team's workflow. And that's how to log a defect in Jira.